Dorbar Tlang jong ka JHDC kelas sedang menta ka Sngi ha kaba unong yalam jong ka Liang Pyrshah uba Andrew Shai ulara ya kamat ban penjalan ya ki Sngi shong Dorbar Henry ka Liang kala jet ya ka jing Pynlong ya ka Dorbar ka ba Sngi uba Shai ula kentu biang ya u chairman ban pendon kam ya ka board jong u ban penjalan ya ka jing shong Dorbar UMDC uba jam shaprang po tam ula mi no hadin ba ula penpau ba shim yo ya ke jubab halor ke jingkeli ke jong u UMDC ke VPP u nehmaya lamare ula pan jing Shai ya ke soskular balaya soy halor ka earth tree agroforestry ke bala day ban IT hapo ka khatsan tarik unok pra henry shim layo ya ke jubab Ulabo jingkeli ru ia UEM ba khmi ia ka puli puthi halor ka jing penbha ia ki skul ha ka ba kit khot ki laong ba ka juba kamlong ka ba sngohun ka ba la Pynlong ia ki ban sngokhia halor ka jing bam Shai ha ka council.
As per the AD rules of the council, the chairman has the power. So I asked him today, do you want to be remembered as a person who is a chairman who allowed all the members to place their questions, to put their ideas inside the house? But very sad that he doesn't want to be remembered as a person who able to give to the members a space to discuss and to raise various questions. So in this kind of democracy in a council like this, it won't be good in the long run. So he will be remembered as a chairman who doesn't allow others people to participate, who restrict himself and who restrict the participation of members in the house. So this trend will not be good in the long run, and I have requested him that this thing should not happen in the future.